Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 7.8. Integral of log x the whole squared dx. So we are going to solve using the method of integral u dv. So the formula here is uv minus integral v du. So let's identify the u. So u here is going to be log x the whole squared. So du is going to be equal to 2 into log x into 1 by x dx. Now dv is going to be equal to dx. So v is going to be integral dx, which is equal to ex. Now let's substitute in the formula. So u into v, which means x into log x the whole squared minus v du. So it is going to be integral x into 2 log x into 1 by x dx. So this x and x will get striked. 2 I can take outside. So this is x into log x the whole squared minus 2 into integral log x dx. Now here again we have to do u dv. So let's identify the u1. So u1 is going to be equal to log x, which means du1 is equal to 1 by x dx. dv1 is going to be equal to dx, which means v1 is integral of dx, which is ex. So now we can substitute in this formula. So x log x the whole squared, then minus 2 into, here we are going to put uv, so u into v, which is x log x, minus of integral v du. So this is x into 1 by x into dx. Now you can expand after integration. So this I'm going to cancel out. So this is x into log x the whole squared minus 2x log x plus 2 into integral of dx is x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, we have integral of 2x cube e power x squared dx. So first we are going to break this as integral of 2 into x squared e power x squared dx. So now I'm going to put x squared is equal to t. So 2x dx is equal to dt. So I'm going to substitute this 2x and dx as dt. So let's do it. So integral of, and this x square will get substituted as t. So this is t into e power again another t dt. Now this is of the form u dv. So let's identify the u's and v. U is going to be equal to t and du is going to be equal to dt. dv is going to be e power t dt, which means v is integral of e power t dt, which is just e power t. Now let's substitute in this particular formula. So this is going to be u, which is t e power t minus integral v du, so e power t dt. So this is t e power t minus e power t plus c. Now we can put back all the values of t, which is x squared. So x squared e power x squared minus e power x squared plus c. We can take the e power x squared outside. So it is x squared minus 1 and this into e power x squared plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.